Listen and repeat. Show. Can you show me how to do it? Can you show me how to do it? Can you show me where the bathroom is? Can you show me where the bathroom is? Show me the way. Show me the way. Can you show me the nearest supermarket? Can you show me the nearest supermarket? Please show your ID at the entrance. Please show your ID at the entrance. Do you want me to show you around? Do you want me to show you around? Show me how to use this app. Show me how to use this app. Can you show me another example? Can you show me another example? Show me the latest news. Show me the latest news. I can show you how to fix it. I can show you how to fix it. Show me how to solve this problem. Show me how to solve this problem. Can you show me a shortcut? Can you show me a shortcut? Why doesn't he show any interest? Why doesn't he show any interest? Why do they never show their feelings? Why do they never show their feelings? Can you show me a cheaper option? Can you show me a cheaper option? They always show up late. They always show up late. Let me show you something interesting. Let me show you something interesting. Let me show you my favorite place. Let me show you my favorite place. I want to show you something amazing. I want to show you something amazing. Can he show me a different model? Can he show me a different model? He never shows his emotions. He never shows his emotions. He always shows support for his friends. He always shows support for his friends. She shows kindness to everyone. She shows kindness to everyone. Can she show us a better solution? Can she show us a better solution? She wants to show her gratitude. She wants to show her gratitude. They show a lot of interest in technology. They show a lot of interest in technology. Does this sign show the right direction? Does this sign show the right direction? Does this ticket show the seat number? Does this ticket show the seat number? Does this clock show the correct time? Does this clock show the correct time? Does this app show the correct time? Does this app show the correct time? What does this symbol show? What does this symbol show? What does your expression show? What does your expression show? How does this graph show the results? How does this graph show the results? How does this device show notifications? How does this device show notifications? Do they show the movie in English? Do they show the movie in English? Does she show any signs of improvement? Does she show any signs of improvement? She tries to show patience in every situation. She tries to show patience in every situation. He always shows respect to others. He always shows respect to others. She shows great talent in painting. She shows great talent in painting. Show me the ingredients for the recipe. Show me the ingredients for the recipe. Show me your best smile. Show me your best smile. They show a lot of enthusiasm for their work. They show a lot of enthusiasm for their work. Why don't you show more confidence? Why don't you show more confidence? He wants to show his skills. He wants to show his skills. Can they show us the best route? Can they show us the best route? Show me the list of available rooms. Show me the list of available rooms. He likes to show his collection. He likes to show his collection. Can I show you my project? Can I show you my project? Show me the correct answer. Show me the correct answer. Could you show me a better option? Could you show me a better option?
Thanks for listening. See you later.